Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to save in Crimson Desert. All right, let's begin. First, open the main menu and navigate to the Other section. From there, go into Options. You can quickly access this tab by using the right trigger to switch sections. Once inside the Options menu, look for the Save section. This is where all saving features are located, including both manual saves and autosaves. In this menu, you will see your recent autosaves listed, usually up to the last 3. These are created automatically as you progress through the game. If you want more control, you can manually save your progress. To do this, simply hold the Y button, then confirm the save, and your game will save instantly. If you ever need to reload your progress, return to the same menu and hold the A button to load a selected save file. So that's basically how you can save in Crimson Desert. That's it for this video. Thanks.